Have you been struggling to make a sustainable income through short-term rentals on Airbnb? Well, I've got good news. If you're looking to dominate your rental business and at the same time make a profitable income from renting out your property, I have the perfect solution for you. What if I told you that you can master short-term rentals simply by just following 6 easy steps? If you watch this until the end, not only will we walk you through the essential strategies and tips to help you excel in the world of Airbnb short-term rentals, but you'll learn exactly how to set up your property for success. Are you ready to dominate? Without further ado, here are 6 ways to master short-term rentals on Airbnb. Number 6. Optimization is key. Standing out from the crowd can give you an enormous advantage. That's why optimizing your listing is a must-do task that can make a world of difference. Let's start with the visuals. Photos are your secret weapon. Capture high-resolution, well-lit images that highlight the best aspects of your property. Showcase those unique features and amenities that make your property shine. Potential buyers want to envision themselves living there, so give them a glimpse of what they can expect. But visuals alone won't seal the deal. A detailed description is equally important. Paint a vivid picture of your property with all the essential details. Don't forget to mention the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage. Highlight any updates or upgrades you've made to entice buyers. Now, let's talk about pricing. Research similar properties in your area to gauge the market. Price your property competitively to attract potential buyers. It's all about finding the sweet spot where your price is fair and appealing. By investing time and effort into optimizing your listing, you'll increase your chances of attracting more buyers and selling your property quickly. That's why don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted listing. It can be the key to your successful sale. Number 5. Look for in-demand areas. Picture this, a neighborhood buzzing with tourists surrounded by a plethora of amenities and boasting excellent public transportation options. This is the recipe for a thriving rental business and a fat wallet. So, how do you find these sought-after areas? First, keep your eyes peeled for neighborhoods that are magnets for tourists. Look for spots with a vibrant array of restaurants, bars, and entertainment options. These hotspots are bound to attract visitors and keep your occupancy rates sky high. Next, leverage the power of data from platforms like Airbnb. Analyze their insights to identify areas with the highest occupancy rates and revenue. This data is a treasure trove of information, giving you a glimpse into the demand for housing in different neighborhoods. Don't forget to tap into local sources as well. Scan local newspapers and online news platforms for updates on new businesses and developments in the area. This can give you valuable clues about emerging hotspots that are set to boom. And here's a pro tip. Consult with local real estate agents and business owners. These folks have their fingers on the pulse of the market and can provide insider knowledge on the most coveted areas in the city or town. Trust me, they have insights that you won't find anywhere else. Keep watching because in a minute I'll tell you why keeping your property maintained is vital. It's so simple that oftentimes everyone forgets it.
Before we dive in, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Do you want the chance to win a brand new iPhone 14 Pro, MacBook Pro, or a $500 Amazon gift card? Find the hidden message that's in the video, comment it down below, and subscribe to the channel. We will choose one random subscriber in each video for a chance to win one of these amazing prizes. Don't forget to hit the like button, and good luck.
Number 4. Offer additional services. One option that guests love is the convenience of having breakfast available. You can offer a simple continental breakfast or go all out with a delicious hot breakfast. This adds value to their stay and makes it even more enjoyable. Transportation services are another great way to boost your income. Consider providing airport pickup and drop-off services or transportation to local attractions and events. Guests will appreciate the convenience, and you'll earn some extra income in the process. For those looking to explore the area, offering rental equipment can be a hit. Bicycles, kayaks, and other recreational items allow guests to fully experience their surroundings and create memorable moments. You can also help your guests by booking reservations at local restaurants or providing recommendations for activities and attractions in the area. This personal touch goes a long way in enhancing their stay. Offering these additional services will make your guest experience more comfortable and enjoyable. This can lead to positive reviews, repeat customers, and ultimately increased revenue. But hey, price your services reasonably and ensure they provide genuine value to your guests. Clearly communicate these services on your website to attract the right kind of guests who are seeking these extra amenities. Number 3. Take advantage of seasonal pricing. Instead of renting out your place year-round, why not capitalize on peak seasons when demand is high and supply is low? That is where seasonal pricing comes in. Strategically adjusting your prices throughout the year can maximize your revenue as a property owner. It's all about raising your rates during peak travel seasons when demand for your property is through the roof and lowering them during slower periods when demand takes a dip. This way, you ride the waves of the market and make the most of it. Let's say your property is in a sought-after vacation destination. During the summer, when everyone is itching for a getaway, it's the perfect time to raise your prices. But during the fall and winter months, when demand cools down, it's wise to lower them. I also recommend never to forget about holidays. Christmas and New Year are prime times for travel, so go ahead and adjust your prices accordingly. Keep an eye on local events and conferences happening nearby. They can influence demand, so be flexible with your pricing strategy. Offering discounts or special deals for last-minute vacancies can work wonders too. At the end of the day, your pricing strategy should align with your property, location, and target market. Stay competitive and avoid pricing yourself out of the market. Number 2. Keep your property well maintained. Want to master short-term rentals? Here's the golden rule. Keep your property well maintained. It's as straightforward as that. Imagine your guests arriving at a place where everything's falling apart, bad reviews will spread like wildfire, and you'll struggle to attract any future bookings. To keep your property in tip-top shape, here are some suggestions. Prioritize deep cleaning. Give your bathrooms, kitchens, and shared spaces a thorough scrub. Regular dusting and vacuuming are a must. Additionally, ensure that all appliances and equipment are in good working order and address any necessary repairs promptly. Don't neglect the appearance of your property either. Consider refreshing the walls with a fresh coat of paint, replacing worn-out furniture, or updating the decor to make your place more appealing to guests. Adding new amenities like high-speed internet or innovative home technology can also boost its attractiveness. Also, regular inspections are key to catch any maintenance needs before they escalate into major problems. Addressing issues promptly can undoubtedly maintain the comfort and satisfaction of your guests. Keeping your property well maintained will earn you the loyalty of repeat guests who appreciate cleanliness and comfort. It also helps to preserve the value of your property and ensure its longevity. Number 1. Update your calendar. In managing short-term rentals, you need to be proactive and put yourself out there. No sitting back and waiting for the cash to flow in. This means staying on top of your reservations, cancellations, and availability changes. Don't leave any room for double bookings or missed opportunities. Here's a neat trick. Use property management software. With this tool, you can handle your calendar and reservation requests in one place. It keeps you organized and ensures you don't accidentally book your place twice. Plus, it can automate reservation confirmations and invoices, saving you time and reducing errors. Oh, and here's a secret sauce. Respond quickly to reservation requests. Be lightning fast in answering questions, providing info, and processing reservations. It boosts your chance of snagging a booking and makes it super convenient for guests to reserve your place. In this arena, you need to be open to accommodating guests' needs and preferences. Consider last-minute bookings and offer discounts for longer stays. It's all about keeping those bookings rolling in and maximizing your revenue. To make my point clear, mastering short-term rentals goes beyond simply renting out your space. It takes dedication and effort to create an outstanding listing, attract reliable renters, and manage them like a pro. So, are you now ready to be a pro in short-term rentals? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below and subscribe to the channel. For a complete breakdown and step-by-step guide on Airbnb rental arbitrage, watch this video next, where you'll learn exactly how it works. So click the video on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next one.